Okay, let's have a 5-minute game again. We're waiting Stefanov. Yeah. Okay, Sidorov. I think Sicilian back to normal openings, I think. Maybe Shaveningen set up. Play Queen C7 there for B5, Bishop B7. Okay, so B5 and Bishop B7 coming up. So Bishop B7, Knight D7, Knight C5. Yeah, this kingside attack could be pretty dangerous there. Yeah. Alright, I think I'll have to grab that.
Check.
Hope for the best. Mind you, FE. That Knight C6. Let's put the bishop back on H6. Yeah. Oh, there's Knight D5 as well. Could be quite worrisome. Knight D5, Knight D4. Attacking his queen. Rook D4, Queen C5. Okay. There's Bishop E6 here. Is it that bad? If I get this F7, I can try and go on the F file. I can protect. Rook D6. Okay, let's go here. It's not the end of the world just yet, I hope. This Rook D6 is a right pain. If I attack C2 for a moment. What about if I do take on D5 and just take my time over that F7? Would you Rook G1? No, Rook F7. Okay, so he's got to protect C2. If I take on D5 and then play Bishop F6. Okay. Intriguing. I'll take on H3 here, Knight E7, Queen C2. That's Bishop F6 after. Alright. No, there isn't Bishop F6. Take it on D5, he takes on C8, it's Queen C2, King A1, nothing. This is tricky all of a sudden. Take on C2, take on H3. I'm leaving this big knight on D5. I'm going to take on C2. I'll take on D5, there's Bishop F6 potentially. So Bishop C8, Bishop F6. Otherwise, Okay, let's say otherwise. If he takes with the rook on queen c1, if he takes here, bishop f6, if he takes there, bishop f6, I think just bishop f6 is a must. So rook b1, queen a4. Oh, well, there's maybe b4 here. There's bishop e4. There's queen d6. No, there isn't. There's rook c1. Is b4 really worth it? b4. Okay, it takes. It's a5 after. Intriguing. I can give it a shot. Just goes back to a3, I suppose. Take on e4 here. I'll keep an eye on b2. Exchange down. He's got rook d6 to f6 soon. If I take, he hasn't got rook d8. I'm covering f8. Okay. Right, keep an eye on. Rook f1 could be handy. Keep an eye on the rooks, so there's no rook f6. Right, I've got the space for my king all of a sudden, so the back row isn't so absolutely vulnerable. I'll take on h2. On rook d6, actually, there's bishop b2 for queen d6. Okay, okay, bishop g6 if I want to just take on f7. Get rid of this f7 pesky pawn. It's probably a good time to do so. You can take and check. G6 is queen d3. Right, if I just protect the back row for a sec. Okay, I'll take this guy. There's a4 for a3 potentially. Okay, well, bishop e5, there's rook c8. There is rook c8. But I'll do it anyway. Okay, that puts pressure on b2. Get to play king h7, g6. Pardon me, rook b7. It's a bit short on time as well. So
check.
Right. Okay, what do I want to do here? Probably I don't know. This one looks good. He's only got like 10 seconds. Just anything which doesn't lose immediately might be good. Oh, let's think. He's making progress here. It's a blockade. It's looking nasty.
Time warning.
Oh, it's queen d3.
Check.
Is that helpful? Not really.
Check. Check.
I can sack bishop clearly for 2 passed pawns. Maybe okay, I think passed pawns here. They're actually, this might actually be quite good for me. I don't think the rooks. Is the king coming in time? Probably actually the king's coming in time. Oh, hang on. No, here it gets a bit critical. Yeah, it looks dangerous, the 2 connected passed pawns here. Very exciting game. Comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks very much.